Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Upwork account in PC. So if you didn't already know, if you don't know what Upwork is, it is a platform where you can get jobs as a freelancer, or if you are a recruiter, you can even provide jobs to the people from all around the globe who uses the website or the app called Upwork. So to log in into that or to sign up into that, you just go to Upwork on your PC, press enter. This upwork.com, the first website, is the official website from the Upwork. So just tap on this. Here you have two options, login or sign up. So if you have an account, you can go for login. If you don't, just tap on this sign up to create an Upwork account. And now you can go for this. So if you are a freelancer, you can tap on this I am freelancer looking for work. And if you are client, you can tap on this I am a client hiring for a project. So I'm going for freelancer, and now you can see this. Now you can continue with Google account or you can continue with Apple account. You can even sign up with your email by entering your name, first name, last name, your email and your password and the country of residence. And now if you want them to send emails on how to find talents that fit your needs, you click on right, and I don't want this, so click on this yes I understand and agree, and click on create an account. So after clicking on creating account, they send you a mail that you have just provided, or the Gmail or the Apple ID that you have provided here. So that will be the confirmation email, and after you click there, you will be set to join in as a freelancer because you clicked on freelancer, and you will be set to log in to Upwork. So this is how you can create an Upwork account. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.